What's up, winners? On this channel, we learn to see through manipulation. Have fun again. We have some absurdity of Meghan. You need to see first is the official video, and it gets even worse with the unofficial one.
Really embeds such great values from the get-go. I was a Girl Scout, my mom was my cheerleader, and I think the value of friendship, of being dedicated to a goal, as you see that in Queens.
Look how horrified the woman next to her looked, and she's so pleased with like, meh. And wasn't her mother totally absentee?
So reflective of how these girls stick with something that's important to them and don't give up. And self-belief, I think, is a really integral value that comes to being a goals.
Guys, comment below. Isn't that not what the movie's about at all? But look at this poor woman next to Meghan being totally shut down, which is something you do not want to happen to you, which can be really useful to learn communication skills, learn how to speak up for yourself so you don't get shut down like this.
I think it's a really integral value that comes to being a goals.
Yeah. Everyone looks so uncomfortable around Meghan. This little girl looks pretty comfortable, actually, but I think it's just because she's a very confident, or is that a woman who's just, no, that's a young girl. But I think she's, oh, no, there it is. I think she's a naturally confident young woman, young girl. I don't know how old she is, but who's handling being near Meghan pretty well. And then, so you have this version, but then I need to show you guys the candid version that's unedited. By the way, guys, I am doing a workshop for communication training. This stuff is amazing. It's literally $10. I'm going to max it at 6 people. Each person's going to get about 10 minutes working with me, but watching everyone else can help you. I'm superb at this. I'll pinpoint exactly what you're doing so you can be a captivating speaker. You know how to speak up for yourself. It's never going to be this cheap ever again. It's going to happen on 4 p.m. New York time, Saturday. So about 1 or 2 days from now, you'll receive an email. So just click the PayPal link, you pay, and then I'll send it to you. It's never going to be this cheap again. I am amazing at this. I don't say things that aren't, I don't just hype myself up for no reason. I can pinpoint it, tell you exactly what to do to be more charismatic, to speak up for yourself, to not let people walk all over you. Look at everyone looking miserable except Meghan. It's like she's an energy vampire. And then look how she looks at this woman with disdain. She's like, ugh. Like, did you see how she looked her up and down? But Meghan's like an energy vampire, right? She looks happy when everyone else is uncomfortable. That was so awkward. So guys, click below that PayPal link if you want to sign up. It's going to be maximum 6 people. It's only $10. It's never going to be that cheap again. And it can be an absolute game changer if you want to be a more confident speaker, learn how to stand up for yourself. I'll give you the exact feedback that you need. Sometimes the tiniest tweaks make a huge difference. It can help you with job interviews, giving speeches, just telling stories, not being interrupted. Look at Meghan's fake smile. So I'm going to have that PayPal link right below. I wish that didn't cut off. You can see Meghan's like fake delight at another woman coming. I'm sure the mask slipped right away. But I wanted to show you guys one more time the way she looks this woman up and down. See that? Like, ugh, disdain. All right, everyone. I'll see you there at the workshop or in the next video. Take care.